Got a tattered overcoat and battered suitcase. Got a pair of leaky boots upon my feet. Gotta drug myself up by my one good bootlace. Gotta work my rotten socks off if I want to make ends meet. I've poured everything I've got into my chocolate. Now it's time to show the world my recipes. I've got 12 silver sovereigns in my pocket and a hat full of dreams. There's a famous restaurant on every street here. There's Brandino's and the Bar Parisien.
Restaurant maps, sir?
Thank you. Got a little map to tell me where to eat here. Had a dozen silver sovereigns, now I'm somehow down to 10. Want the finest produce, this is where they stock it.
That's 3 sovereigns, mate.
So the prices are suspiciously extreme.
Wait, how come can you pay for it?
I've got 5, 6, 7. 6 silver sovereigns in my pocket and a hat full of dreams.
Russian coat, sir.
Nothing.
Cologne?
No, leave me alone. At last, the gallery gourmet. I knew that we'd see it one day. It's everything you said, Mama, and oh, so much more. Each way that you turn, another famous chocolate store. Here's my destiny, I just need to unlock it. Will I crash and burn or go up like a rocket? I got nothing to offer but my chocolate and a hat full of dreams.
Lumpa, dumpity-doo, I've got a tragic tale for you. Umpa, lumpa, dumpity-dee, if you are wise, you'll listen to me. Yeah, Lumperland is both luscious and green, but not conducive to growing the bean. My job was guarding what little we got. You came along and pinched the lot.
Hey, why didn't you say something?
Well, perhaps I drifted off. Umpa, lumpa, dumpa-day. When I awoke, they sent me away. I'm disgraced, cast out in the cold, till I've paid my friends back 1,000-fold.
1,000-fold? You gotta be kidding me!
I repeat, 1,000-fold.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world, there's nothing to it. There is no life I know to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be. So the taxis never stop. The girls think you're a flop. You're wet and cold, you're getting old, your confidence is shot.
It's true.
When people look at you, they seem to look straight through, or like you're something brown they found upon the bottom of their shoe.
Have you been following me?
But this should lift the gloom, my giraffe milk macaroon. Just take a chance and you'll be dancing to a different tune. Goodbye to feeling small and frightened of it all. Just eat a few of these and you'll be feeling 10 feet tall. Well, there's chocolate, and there's chocolate. Only Wonka's makes your confidence skyrocket. Put your hand into your pocket, get yourself some Wonka chocolate.
Madam, just one kiss.
Yes, please.
You've never had chocolate like this.
No. Oh, you've got to have a go.
Just pop one in and everything becomes a Broadway show.
The news that makes you gasp, the jokes that make you laugh.
All that you say and do all day will be choreographed. Lost your hair, can't think where, feeling fairly bare up there. Don't despair, I come prepared, behold my hair repair eclair. It's made from ground vanilla, from the markets of Manila. Take heed, eat more than 3 and you'll end up like a gorilla.
Well, there's chocolate,
And there's chocolate.
only one that makes you up around the chocolate. Put your hand into your pocket and get yourself.
Oh, put a sock in it. Make sure they're all frisked. Have you ever had chocolate like this? I've never had chocolate like this.
Well, there's literate and illiterate. Can you tell me what this word is?
Not a bit of it.
Well, that's a vowel and that's a consonant.
What's that now? You're talking nonsense.
I should call it quits.
But you've never sold chocolate like this.
Well, there's chocolate.
I understand it. And there's chocolate. Totally true.
Only Wonka drives a home right through our profit.
Yes, but what I'm trying to tell you is that
If we don't get on top of this, we'll go bust. We'll cease to exist.
But fellas, you've never had chocolate like this. No, we've never had chocolate like this.
Only mine will find you buying wedding chocolates.
We have just tied the knot, and it's all because of Wonka's chocolate.
You've never had chocolate like this. Have you ever had chocolate like this?
Okay. Turn